In this episode of Capristo TV, it is all about customized carbon production. We will take a close look over the shoulders of our specialists and follow an engine bay hood for the Ferrari 458 Spider throughout the whole manufacturing process. We hereby testify that all shown manufacturing steps are made at Capristo's in Sundern, Germany. Every great product always starts with an idea and a draft. Our development department creates a first impression with pen and paper. Meanwhile, we scan the vehicle with a state-of-the-art 3D scanner. The 3D model of the engine bay enables us to get a better idea of the available space. And it helps us to build the 3D model of the hood in order to make production as precise as possible. Now it's time for a first prototype. We use our 3D printer to create a scale model of the hood. As soon as the prototype has passed all the necessary controls, the manufacturing process can start. Step 1 is to build 2 molds out of 100% aluminum blocks. Based on those positive molds, we build 2 negatives in which the carbon will be arranged. Meanwhile, we complete the 3D model and set up the 6-axle CNC robot. As soon as the negative molds are done, our carbon specialists use Ferrari quality carbon fiber to carefully build up the hood. Finally, the hood is ready to enter the autoclave, where under high pressure and a temperature of 130 degrees, it's getting baked. Now it's time for quality assurance. To make sure that the hood is a perfect fit for your car, the 6-axle CNC robot finishes the job precisely. Once more, the single steps of the manufacturing process.